Welcome to our exploration of one of the most vibrant and unique birds of the rainforest, the toucan. With their oversized beaks, bright colors, and distinctive calls, these fascinating creatures have captivated bird lovers and nature enthusiasts for centuries. But there is so much more to toucans than meets the eye. Let's dive deeper into their world and discover the amazing characteristics that make them so special. Toucans are best known for their large, colorful bills. The size of their beak might seem impractical at first, but it serves several important purposes. Despite its size, the toucan's beak is surprisingly light, as it is made of a protein called keratin, similar to our fingernails. This unique structure allows it to be both sturdy and lightweight, perfect for the bird's needs. The toucan's beak is not just for show, it helps the bird grab fruit from branches that are too delicate to support its weight. Toucans also use their beaks to reach food that is otherwise out of reach, like insects and small reptiles. Additionally, the beak is an effective tool for defense, as the bright colors can deter predators and serve as a warning of the bird's presence. The toucan's plumage is another striking feature. They typically have black bodies with white throats, but their feathers are often highlighted with vivid patches of red, yellow, blue, or orange. These bright colors help them blend into the colorful canopy of their rainforest homes, providing a natural form of camouflage. Toucans are omnivorous, which means they eat both plants and animals. However, fruit makes up the bulk of their diet. They have a particular fondness for berries, figs, and other soft fruits. Their sharp, serrated beaks help them peel fruit skin, while their long, flexible tongues aid in swallowing. Aside from fruits, toucans occasionally consume insects, small reptiles, eggs, and even other birds' chicks. Toucans are highly social birds, often found in small flocks. They are known for their playful behavior, hopping between branches and tossing fruit to one another. This social behavior is important for their survival, as it helps them find food and protect themselves from predators. At night, they roost together in tree hollows, which provides warmth and protection from the elements. Toucans are native to Central and South America. They thrive in the tropical and subtropical regions, particularly in rainforests and lowland forests. Their range stretches from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. These areas provide them with plenty of food, shelter, and nesting sites. Toucans typically make their homes in the canopies of tall trees, where they can find an abundance of fruits and small animals to eat. Rainforests are crucial for the survival of toucans. The dense foliage offers protection from predators such as snakes, eagles, and large mammals. Toucans have a variety of vocalizations that they use to communicate with one another. Their calls range from deep croaks and grunts to high-pitched trills and squawks. Toucans typically breed once a year, during the rainy season when food is most abundant. They nest in tree cavities, which they either find abandoned by other animals or excavate themselves. Female toucans lay 2 to 4 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating. The incubation period lasts about 16 to 18 days. The parents feed them a diet rich in fruit and insects, and after about 6 weeks, the young toucans are ready to leave the nest. Toucans in the wild can live up to 15 to 20 years, though their lifespan can vary depending on environmental factors and predation. Toucans are more than just a pretty face in the rainforest, they play a crucial role in their ecosystem, from seed dispersal to controlling insect populations.